We decided to order a couple of these large stuffed animal beanbag chairs. Now these are just covers, but you can put like all of your stuffed animals in this, and you can store like your stuffed animals in this and also sit on it and chill on it. But we ordered two of these things, one for Maddie and one for Gemma, and they are large. So we are going to add some more stuffed animals to these beanbag chair covers and see if we can get these larger and softer. Now this is the large right here. It can go up to 300 liters of stuffing. And if you get the small, it's 100 liters of stuffing. Anyway, we're just gonna try to like add some more stuff to this, some more stuffing, some more stuffed animals, and see how that goes. As you can see, this is kind of a pinkish color here. It kind of blends into the room because the room's also pink. Has a handle on it because these can get pretty heavy with a bunch of stuffed animals in it. You can see that we don't have that one quite full yet, and we don't have this one quite full yet, but we're gonna add some stuffing to it. We're gonna add some more stuffed animals to it, and we're gonna see how that goes. As you can see, Maddie's pulling some stuffed animals out of here. These are ones we've had in storage here for a few days. And in order to put this in, there's a zipper here that Maddie can unzip for us real quick. You can see that there's already stuffed animals in here right now. So we already have some stuffed animals in. We're just gonna add a bunch more here to this. We're not gonna put the ones that make noise in, but we're gonna put the others in there. That's a great place to just store stuffed animals and just keep them in a cool place. So when you want them, you can just, unzip these bean bags and retrieve the stuffed animal that you might want. What do you think about these bean bags, Maddie, these beanbag covers?
Well, these are really cool. They have a handle so you can take them where you want to take them. You can take them to the living room and watch a movie and
zip it on up. Good. Now flip it over.
Oh, that's big.
Oh, look, it's definitely better now. So sit on there and see how that feels. Is it softer now?
Much more softer.
So this fabric is a hand-chosen fabric. It's kind of like corduroy material right there. As you can see, the zipper seems to be pretty solid. As you can see underneath there, it's kind of like a burlap, a real solid kind of material under there. So it doesn't look like it's gonna fray or cause problems. It looks like it's gonna be pretty solid. Don't think the zipper is gonna bust. Maddie, can you go ahead and start putting some in here? This is stain resistant. It's also water resistant. And get the sneaky snake in. We kind of thought that this had pockets, but this one does not have pockets. This comes in multiple colors. This beanbag chair is great for the girls. I know that they love this. They're gonna have fun playing with these things. And also it's really great for parents because we can actually keep these stuffed animals out of the way. There's so many of them, so many. Y'all have so many stuffed animals, Maddie. All right, Maddie, what do you think of these right here, these beanbags?
Cool.
All right, lay down on it and see how it's comfortable. Does it feel comfortable?
Yes.
All right, it looks comfortable to me. Ah, that is comfortable. These are really comfortable beanbags, and again, these are just the covers that you can put your stuffed animals in.